is a small, shy turtle who lives in a colorful, lively jungle filled with big, brave animals like lions, elephants, and tigers. All the animals think Tara is too small to help with anything. One day a fire breaks out in the jungle. The big animals, despite their strength, feel helpless. The animals panic and run around unsure what to do. Tara thinks quickly and gathers the smaller animals. She suggests carrying water and leaves and shells to put out the fire. Though the big animals doubt her idea, the small animals start working together. The animals save the jungle. Slowly but surely, Tara and the other animals put out the fire by working together. The big animals are amazed at Tara's bravery and cleverness. A celebration in the jungle. The jungle is safe again. And all the animals celebrate Tara as the bravest little turtle, the lion. Tiger and elephant thank her, and they learn to value everyone, big or small.